Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get teenage filter on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok app. Now tap on the search bar and then look for teenage filter effect. And right here you can see the videos that use the filter. Tap on any video. For example, this one, you can see right there the name of the filter, Teenage Look. What you're going to do is to tap on that. Here is the teenage filter. So what you're going to do is to add this to your favorite, or you can use this effect by tapping on the red button.